the foot of the mountain, there was a stone cliff. Before the stone cliff lay a river. Beside the river stood a large poplar tree. A flying squirrel and a magpie lived facing each other.
Winter is coming. Let's build a home.
The magpie said,
No, it's sunny today. I want to play and sleep.
The flying squirrel replied. Winter came.
Brr, I'm cold. I will build my home tomorrow.
The next day,
I can always build the house tomorrow.
Do it today. Tomorrow may be too late.
Unfortunately, a blizzard arrived that night.
It is very cold. I'm freezing. I will do it tomorrow.
Wake up.
Morning came, but the flying squirrel did not answer. Don't wait for tomorrow. Do it today.